Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Subaru Tribeca Premium 7-seater, stock reference number 5761. This shape runs from the 10th month 2006 through to the 1st month 2014. It has an EZ36 3.6 litre 6-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. EZ36 3.6 litre 6-cylinder petrol boxer engine with the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnished, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tailgate garnished, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack control panel, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel in grey leather.